not on an Hermes journey, and in fact, I refuse to use that phrase on this channel. There was no call from a sales associate, but there is a Birkin in the building. So come along with me and I'll show you how this all played out. So I met my friend Taylor for lunch. She has a beautiful jewelry line called TW Kessler. I wanted to see some of her new pieces, so we literally turned Fig and Olive into a showroom. I absolutely love these Emanite negatives with diamonds. Here is my favorite one. And also this showstopper with the yellow diamond, stunning. So after we had diamonds for lunch, we went over to Hermes, took a quick look at shoes before we met our SA. And then of course we headed over to Scar and we saw the first release of the fall winter 2024 collection. These colors are so Lisa Frank. I love it. Then we asked about bags. This was my friend's appointment and she basically said, I'm open to anything, just show me what you have. So her SA said, okay, give me 1 second. Let me take a look. And people always say good things happen when you least expect them. Or as I say in Princess Diaries, miracles happen once in a while. So ladies and gentlemen, please let me present to you this completely unexpected Birkin 25 Sellier style in Chevre leather noir gold combination. I wish I had a GoPro like the train guy on here because we almost fell to the floor. And the thing that I love about Chevre leather is it's so lightweight. It has a beautiful sheen, as you can see here. And the Birkin 25 is such a good size. It even fits over my arm. This offer was for Taylor, but I am just relishing in this moment. I did buy something, but I totally forgot to film it. We were still shaking and got drinks. And when I got home, there was a fireworks show over the valley.